freedom of ideas that have been expressed, and that we've been convened in a way where we were able to freely exchange, and that we'll release these ideas and all of us will go our own ways. We'll all fly home. And hopefully these ideas will have a life, and the relationships we've formed here will last in an enduring way. And I have great confidence they will be. And so I've asked some of our international guests to be up here to help release the birds and feel the stroke of freedom. Thanks to you all for being here.